In WordPress, it's important to regularly back up your site to prevent any data loss and security issues. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to back up your WordPress website using a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. So to begin, we need to install that plugin. So go to your plugins and then add new. Then search for All-in-One WP Migration. Then hit install and then activate. Once the plugin is installed and activated, go to All-in-One WP Migration menu. And then we have two ways to do it. So we could just go directly here at the bottom of the plugin. There is an export option here. Or we can go to the plugin's main page. We could click export to and then select file. And then once done, click download. And then wait for it to finish downloading. So this is the exported file. Take note that this file is the entire WordPress website, including all the files and the database. And that's it. You have successfully backed up your WordPress site using All-in-One WP Migration. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.